Amidst the crisis unfolding since October 7th, the food insecurity rate in Israel has surged to 26%, with over 40% facing severe hunger. Tragedy has forced over 200,000 families from border homes, compounding the struggles of those affected by death, violence, or active duty. Let's unite to brighten their lives during the 8 nights of Hanukkah. Your donation empowers us to deliver Hanukkah essentials baskets, providing nourishing meals, menorahs, candles, blankets, heaters, and small gifts to uplift traumatized children. A mere $80 donation provides a basket, offering a beacon of hope. Sponsor 2 baskets at $160 or more, and Rav Dror will personally pray at the Western Wall in gratitude for your commitment.
Your generosity can change their lives for good.